Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I regrow my daughter's hair and my hair with just one ingredient, moringa, which is really good for your hair. I'm going to be doing moringa oil and butter. Okay, if you're suffering from alopecia, your hair is thin and you want to really grow out your hair, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, here is our ingredient. We are using 3 tablespoons of moringa powder, and I'm also going to be using avocado oil for this as my carrier oil. We need a clean jar just like this. So I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of moringa powder into this mixture. Then I'll be using 2 cups of avocado oil to this mixture. If you have grapeseed oil, if you have olive oil, if you have coconut oil, if you have sunflower oil, depending on oils you have in your house, you can use that. I'm also showing you all how I do my avocado oil. Here are the benefits of moringa for hair growth. It is a rich source of biotin. It activates your hair follicles to enhance new hair growth on brow area. If you're having thin edges, this recipe is for you. If you have alopecia, this recipe is for you. So guys, I am going to allow this to set for 12 hours, and after 12 hours I'll show you all what our oil looks like. You can also do the double boiler method for this if you want to use the oil immediately. Moringa promotes hair growth and it treats hair loss, and it also treats dandruff. It strengthens your hair follicles. So I'm just mixing the two together like this, and this is what our oil looks like. I'm going to cover the jar and leave this to set for 12 hours as I said earlier on. If you want to use this immediately, you can put this as a double boiler method. I'm going to put it somewhere up so you guys can see. This is after 12 hours. My oil is ready. Okay guys, so this is what the oil looks like. I'm just straining it using my eye to strain this, because you can use your cheesecloth for this to remove the chaff from the oil. This is what our oil looks like. I use this to apply on my hair every single day, and the result was really amazing. And yeah, so the next clip we are going to see is how I used moringa oil to make an amazing, soft, beautiful hair butter, which it was the hair butter I used for my daughter's hair. So guys, this is what we have here is shea butter. Okay guys, I am going to be using 1 teaspoon of shea butter. My YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth journey, motherhood and vlogs. If this is what you're interested in, stay tuned. Then I added our moringa oil to this mixture. So I'm going to be doing the double boiler method. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it in a pot with hot water and allow this to boil. And when this has melted, I am going to cover it and let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour. Then after 1 hour, I will use my electric mix to mix this. This is after 1 hour guys. I'm going to whisk this like so, and is really amazing. It's really soft. It's really moist. Like if you use this on a dry hair, your hair will feel so soft, so alive. Here are the benefit of avocado. Lest I forget, avocado is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6. It contains omega-3 fatty acid. It promotes shines. It prevents breakage. So guys, this is what our butter looks like. It looks so soft and so creamy. Like this butter was amazing. So I'm just transferring it into this container right here. I use this on my daughter's hair 3 times in a month. Okay guys, I don't do this on her hair often. I use this 3 times in a month, but for my hair I use this when I feel my hair needs more moisture. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now. Bye guys.